Ask any woodworker and we'll all tell you that the little tables that come on drill presses are notoriously too small and just aren't good at supporting larger materials that we often need to work with. So I built this nifty thing to give me some more surface area, and I attached it to the original table using magnets. But now I'm up against this little problem here, which is that the crank that lets me move that table up and down in relation to the motor and the drill bit, well, the crank hits the underside of my nifty little table. So I made these to support this extra length of shaft. But the real genius is replacing the actual crank with this little sprocket so you can do this. So the real moment of truth is, once I screw these on, does everything stay put and not shift so that those gears stay mated up? So my thought is, if I can tap on these bolts a little bit just to make a little dimple in the wood, I'm going to pull the bolts so I can do even just the smallest of pilot holes. All right, let's redrive those bolts and see how this goes. Well, it looks good so far. Let's test it. Yeah, I like this.